Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So we all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy smart collections with great discount offers. So let me display. Beautiful one, fully designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base with hand design work, silver zari fine weaving border design and full base part is beautiful design work, fully designer piece, silver zari border and beautiful design, fully fine design work, hand design, very exclusive one, and base is silk linen silver sign, silver zari weaving border and mirror work, full base part. And this one pallu portion silver zari stripes with beautiful hand design embroidery and design work, mirror work, very elegant, bright, fresh looks, fully designer piece. This one is full base part, fully mirror design, full base, and this one is silver zari weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen designer piece. And I will suggest this silk material, a heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright and elegant looks. These are also same material, same pattern, fully designer piece, very nice one, fancy looks also, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen silver zari border and fully designer piece, design work, very elegant looks and bright, fresh also, best for your party wear, party looks. This one pallu portion silver zari stripes with beautiful mirror design, pallu and beautiful design work, fully hand design, fine design work, smart looks. Base part is silver base tissue linen base and silver zari weaving border and full base part is mirror work with design, very nice one, trendy, smart looks, fine hand design work. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, a beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, bright, elegant looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality and very elegant color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen and silver and golden zari fine weaving heavy work, very nice one. This one full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen zari weaving border, fine weaving and full base part is silver zari with contrast golden zari weaving butta work, full base part is fine checks pattern, very trendy looks, elegant also. This one pallu portion silver zari with contrast golden zari weaving work butta pallu, and this one full base part, very bright elegant color combination. This one is border portions, golden and silver zari combined work border, and this one is full base part, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful, bright color combinations, purple shade weaving border, Banarosi weaving heavy worked border and butta design, also very bright elegant looks. This one full base part, soft, comfortable obviously and traditional looks. This one a silk linen material and golden zari weaving border design, this portion is border, and this one full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, very smart elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, fully heavy fine Banarosi weaving work pallu, and this one full base part, very nice one, elegant bright look. This one is border portions, fully fine weaving design, heavy worked border. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very trendy, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very beautiful, bright looks and fully designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, golden tissue linen and golden zari weaving border design and full base part, beautiful design work, very nice one, bright, fresh looks. And this one fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design border and full base part is beautiful hand design work. This one is beautiful design work, golden shade, white golden shade, premium quality, quality pure handloom tissue linen with design work, fully designer piece, golden zari stripes with beautiful design work. Very nice one, elegant bright looks, based for your party wear. This one full base part, mirror work, golden zari weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, very bright, fresh and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, silk linen batik print Banarosi border is beautiful, elegant, trendy looks. This one full base part and very elegant color combinations also. Base part is premium quality pure handloom silk linen, and this one is border golden zari fine weaving border design Banarosi border, and full border portions contrast color dye batik printed one, and full base part is beautiful batik print. And this one pallu portions contrast color dye pallu golden and silver zari stripes with batik printed one, very trendy elegant looks. Silk linen Banarosi batik print, very beautiful one, traditional and fancy looks combined, looks very nice. And this one is Banarosi border traditional, and this one is batik printed fancy looks, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, based for your office wear, daily wear. Cotton, ikat cotton fabric, weaving border, fully contrast weaving design border, and full base part is ikat bright looks. This one full base part. This one is border portions fine weaving design border, and ikat cotton ikat premium quality. And this one pallu part contrast color ikat pallu, highlighted stripes, contrast color stripes, very smart looks, summer friendly. Cotton ikat pure cotton fabric ikat with weaving border, and full base part is ikat design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. Very beautiful one, smart and elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom tasar muga with beautiful golden zari border, and very soft comfortable summer friendly. Obviously this one full base part. This one is border portions golden zari border, and very soft comfortable one, premium quality pure handloom muga tasar muga. And this one pallu part, fully golden zari fine weaving design buta work pallu, and very soft comfortable summer friendly fine weaving buta, and very comfortable one. And base part is full base part is plain with elegant color combination. This one is full base part, soft comfortable golden zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, very smart trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, fully weaving work, premium quality pure handloom soft silk green base, and full base part threaded weaving lahariya pattern weaving design, full base part, very trendy smart looks, elegant one, base for your office wear. This one golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine threaded weaving design lahariya pattern weaving design, full base part, and very soft comfortable summer friendly obviously. And this one pallu portions golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant bright gorgeous looks. Then this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart daily looks. This one also very exclusive one, pure premium quality Dupian silk, very exclusive elegant one, and very soft comfortable, and fully Banarosi weaving work, and very lightweight also. This one full base part pure handloom premium quality Dupian silk with golden zari fine weaving border design, and this one full base part beautiful weaving buta work, very nice one, elegant exclusive exclusive looks. And this one, you know, pallu, but pallu also fully heavy weaving design, heavy worked pallu, fully Banarasi weaving work. And this one, you know, full base part, very lightweight, heavy work, but very lightweight one, pure exclusive premium quality Tupian silk. Full base part is weaving butta, and this one is border, fine Banarasi weaving work and very soft, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Very smart looks, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base weaving border design with beautiful digital printed one, very bright, fresh, elegant looks. This one, full base part, nice color combinations and trendy looks. This one is border portions, golden serif fine weaving design border, fully weaving work. And this one, silk linen base fine golden serif checks, full base part with beautiful digital printed one, fully digital printed one, very smart, elegant looks. This one, full base, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base, golden serif fine weaving checks with beautiful digital printed one, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, semi silk linen material, weaving border design, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very smart, elegant looks. This one, full base part. This one is weaving border design, thread weaving border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very bright looks. This one, pallu bend, fine stripes with beautiful pom-pom design pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright, elegant printed one. And this one is border highlighted, very bright, fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, elegant looks. Very beautiful one, silk cotton material, fully silver zari fine weaving border design, very smart, bright looks, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, also best for your office wear. This one, beautiful color, magenta pink shade, and this one is silver zari fine weaving border design, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable one, and fully silver zari fine weaving stripes pattern, very smart looks. This one, full base part, and this one is fine weaving border design, very highlighted one. And base is silk cotton material with beautiful silver zari fine weaving border design, very nice one, elegant, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, bright looks. This one also, Gicha, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom Gicha silk, and fully Madhubani printed border, and pallu also Madhubani printed one, very nice, elegant looks and elegant color combinations also. This one, full base part, pure handloom Gicha silk, and this one is border portions, fully fine Madhubani printed border, and this one is full base part, very soft, elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one, pallu, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, fully heavy Madhubani printed pallu, very elegant looks, comfortable one, pure handloom Gicha silk with Madhubani print. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding, smart, bright but elegant looks. This one also, very beautiful one, black base natural fabric linen by linen with beautiful golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work butta. And this one, full base part, soft, comfortable This one is full base part. This one is fine weaving border design, golden zari weaving border, and full base part is natural fabric, lane by lane, black base, very bright, beautiful one, and fully weaving border design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, fully fine weaving design, temple pattern weaving design, highlighted stripes pattern, pallu, contrast color, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. In a very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, layen by cotton with beautiful golden zari weaving Banarasi work, very bright looks. This one full base part, elegant color combinations, Banarasi work. This one is border portions, fine golden zari heavy weaving design, Banarasi work border, fully hand weaving. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, very smart, bright, gorgeous looks, and soft, comfortable, also premium quality, pure handloom, layen by cotton weaving. And this one pallu portions, fully heavy Banarasi weaving design pallu, very soft, comfortable one, fully hand weaving. And this one full base part, bright looks. This one is full base part, very nice color combination. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful, smart looks, bright also. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, fine layen by layen with beautiful printed one, checks with print, very trendy, smart, fancy looks. This one full base part, multicolored checks with beautiful printed one, very trendy looks, pure fine layen by layen with beautiful printed one, full base part. And this one full base, soft, comfortable, smart look, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk layen base, fine weaving, multicolor weaving border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very smart, bright looks. This one full base part. This one is border portions, fully silver zari, fine weaving, multicolor dye, checks pattern with silver zari, fine weaving border. And this one full base part, silk layen base, beautiful printed one. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very bright, fresh looks. This one is full base. This one is border portion, silver zari, fine weaving border. And this one is full base part, very bright, trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with saree for your outstanding trendy looks. This one also very bright, beautiful looks, bright orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton material, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, contrast color, and very bright color combinations, bright orange shade with beautiful contrast color, threaded weaving design butta, very bright one. This one is full base part, golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and full base part is butta work. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully weaving design, dobby weaving pattern design, pallu highlighted. And this one is full base part, very bright, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also very beautiful one, cotton fabric, cotton dupian with beautiful handloom one with silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, embroidery butta design. This one full base part, very elegant color combination, silver zari border, cotton dupian with beautiful fine embroidery work. This one pallu portion, silver zari stripes pattern, pallu with embroidery buta design, floral buta, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, cotton dupian silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful embroidery buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Big, very exclusive one, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks. This is same pattern, same material, beautiful color combination, silver zari border, cotton dupian, pure handloom, silver zari border, and full piece part is fine embroidery buta work, very nice one, elegant trendy looks. This one border portion silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine embroidery buta. And this one pallu portion silver zari fine stripes with beautiful embroidery buta pallu. And this one full base and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly cotton dupian. Full base part is beautiful texture weaving design, full base silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful embroidery buta design and fine embroidery. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, light purple shade, very exclusive, outstanding daily looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen. Base part is pink shade, peach pink shade, contrast dye Banarasi weaving border, nice one, elegant smart looks. This one full base part, this one is border portions contrast color with beautiful golden zari fine weaving border, and full base part is silk linen, premium quality silk linen, pink base. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color dye pallu, silver and golden zari stripes, very smart trendy looks. And this one full base part, beautiful one, fine hand weaving heavy Banarasi work border, contrast color with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, this one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright smart looks. This one also beautiful one, soft silk material, pure silk material, and very smart trendy looks, contrast color golden zari piping, and full base part is plain, very trendy smart one, pure handloom soft silk material, golden zari piping. And this one is full base part, and this one pallu portions fine silk weaving stripes with gicha stripes pallu, very trendy smart looks, based for your office wear, very nice. So this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, cotton slab, silver zari border, and full border portions golden zari weaving buta, and full base part is beautiful batik printed one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material. This one full base part, beautiful hand batik printed one, and very bright color combination, silver zari border, and full border portions golden zari weaving buta full border. And this one is beautiful hand batik printed one, bright orange shade. And this one pallu portions beautiful one, highlighted stripes with beautiful printed batik printed pallu. And this one full base part, very bright elegant looks. This one is full base, very nice one, soft comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart bright looks. A very beautiful one, silk cotton material weaving border design, and very soft comfortable smart looks, based for your office wear, and fully silver zari fine weaving border design. Let me open. This one is full base part, pink base, silver zari work, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving full base part is batik printed one, and this one is border portions fully fine silver zari fine weaving border, and this one is full base part beautiful hand batik printed one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part beautiful border weaving border, and this one pallu portions beautiful one silver zari fine stripes with beautiful hand batik printed pallu, and this one is silver zari weaving border. Very exclusive outstanding smart looks based for your office wear, and I will suggest this silk material self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks. And this one also very elegant color combination, same material same pattern silver zari border blackish gray shade and beautiful hand batik printed one, very smart bright elegant look silk cotton material. This one full base part, this one is fine silver zari fine weaving border, and full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one, very smart trendy looks beautiful one, soft comfortable summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions very nice one, fully silver zari stripes with beautiful hand batik printed pallu. Very elegant color combination. This one is border, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart trendy daily looks. And this one also very exclusive one, tissue cotton material have golden sign batik sorry batik printed one, and full base part golden sign and very elegant color combination. This one is full base part premium quality pure handloom tissue cotton tissue silk cotton. This one is fine golden zari wide border and full border portions highlighted hand batik printed one, and this one is full base part beautiful batik printed one, very smart bright gorgeous looks, very beautiful one and elegant color combination. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one pallu portions fully golden zari highlighted stripes with beautiful hand batik printed pallu. And I will suggest this silk material beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart looks. Very beautiful bright looks, bright royal blue shade premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with heavy work full base part, very bright looks. This one full base part beautiful fine golden zari heavy weaving full base. This one border portions contrast golden zari with beautiful fine weaving border, and this one is full base part, very bright gorgeous looks royal blue shade, and this one pallu portions beautiful contrast color magenta pink shade with heavy weaving design pocket pattern weaving design heavy worked pallu, and this one full base part very bright gorgeous looks fully worked full base part is heavy work, and this one is pocket pattern running blouse piece, and this one is full base part very bright beautiful gorgeous party looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy bright gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one premium quality pure handloom soft silk material yellow base bright yellow golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving heavy work. This one full base part very bright looks. This one is full base beautiful fine golden zari heavy weaving work. This one is full base part very bright looks yellow shade heavy golden zari weaving work, and this one half portion is stripes pattern golden zari stripes pattern half portion. This one is half portion split section stripes golden zari stripes, and half portion is heavy weaving work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part very bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy smart bright looks. And today I have decorated this smart look saree. Base part is natural fabric lane by lane contrast color border and fully designer piece catwalk with mirror design, very bright elegant looks and elegant color combinations. And this one pallu portions fully heavy catwalk mirror design, very elegant trendy looks, fully hand catwalk mirror design, very nice one fully designer piece, and very soft comfortable one, natural fabric, layer by layer, beautiful saree with beautiful earrings also. If you want same saree with same earrings, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.